Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartHome. In today's video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to reset your Kasa Smart Plug. Whether you're troubleshooting, setting it up on a new network, or just starting fresh, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Segment: Why reset your Kasa Smart Plug? Before we jump into the reset process, let's quickly go over why you might need to reset your Kasa Smart Plug. If you're switching Wi-Fi networks, if the plug isn't responding to commands, or maybe you want to give it to someone else. A reset will wipe all previous settings and return it to its factory defaults. Segment 2, Reset Process Overview. There are two types of resets you can perform. Soft reset. This keeps the current settings but reconnects to your network. Hard reset. This erases everything and restores the plug to factory settings. Segment: How to perform a soft reset. For a soft reset, press and hold the power button on the side of the plug for seconds. Release the button when the LED light starts blinking orange and green. This will put the plug in setup mode, allowing you to reconnect to the app without erasing your current settings. Segment: How to perform a hard reset. For a hard reset, which restores factory settings, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. You'll notice the LED light blink rapidly. First, it'll turn orange, then green. Release the button when the LED starts blinking only orange. At this point, your Kasa Smart Plug has been reset to factory settings and is ready for a fresh setup. Segment: Reconnecting to the Kasa app. After the reset, open the Kasa app on your smartphone. Tap the icon to add a new device. Select Smart Plug from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your plug to Wi-Fi and customize its name. Conclusion. And there you have it. Resetting your Kasa Smart Plug is that simple. Whether you're troubleshooting or just starting fresh, this process makes it easy to get back on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any other smart device questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.